Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a basic 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the top plane. So here we will select the exit plane. This will be the top view, rotate the view. Here take the circle command. From the center point, make two circles first and from same center the second circle. Go to dimension, define here this dia as 40 mm. Okay, the internal dia here will be of 20 mm. Now here take the line command, make a straight line, okay, and make a joining line here. Similarly make one joining line here. Now here take the horizontal constraint, select the center point, select the center point of this line. So here you will find a green point. So this will be center point of this line. Go to dimension, define the height of this dimension line as 120 mm. Okay, and distance from center point will also be 120 mm. Okay, now escape. Now you can see this line is in a moving form after giving the dimensions also. Okay, so this is moving like this. Okay, so it is not constrained. So go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this circle. Similarly select this line and select this circle. Now sketch is fully constrained. Now finish sketch. Take here extrude command, select this profile, and here we are going to take extrude of 15 mm. Okay, so this will be a single direction extrude and press OK. Rotate the profile, go to extrude 1, select sketch 1, turn on the visibility. Now take extrude again. Now select the circular profile. Here take extrude distance as 22 mm and this will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, now select sketch 1 and here turn off the visibility. Okay, now we are going to make this side face. We have constructed this bottom face. Now we are going to construct this side face. Go to part 2, rotate the profile, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the line command and make one line here, escape. Take the circle command and make one circle here of diameter 60 and from same center make circle of diameter 35. Okay, now here take tangent constraint, select this line, select this circle. Okay, go to line command and make one line here till this point. Okay, we want this profile also. Select here, select this and close profile. Now escape. Now take the vertical constraint here, select this point, select this center point. So this will be aligned properly. Now go to dimension, select this center point, select this base. Here the dimension will be of 95 mm. Now go to tangent constraint, select this circle and select this line. Okay, now escape. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile. Okay, this profile is close. Now here you can see this profile is not properly constrained as this is a moving form. Okay, that's why we are unable to extrude. So double click sketch 2 and here when we drag it till this point, okay, now you can see there is no movement. Otherwise the sketch was open, that's why you would not be able to extrude. Finish sketch, take extrude once again. Now you can see the profile has been selected. Select this bottom also, Here we'll give a dimension of 15 mm and press OK. Go to extrude 3, select sketch 2, turn on the visibility, take extrude command once again, select this profile, and here take extrude of 22 mm and here take join and press OK. Okay, select sketch 2, turn off the visibility. So this will be the back face. Okay, now go to part 1. We have constructed this face, we have constructed this face. Now we are going to make this middle profile. Go to part 2, go to home, rotate. Now here go to origin and select the XY plane. Take create sketch. Here take the circle command and make a circle here of diameter 40. From same center point make diameter 15. Now take the line command, make one line here and one joining line here and one line at this bottom and one line here. Escape. Okay, when I zoom in, this will be like this. Go to dimension. Here from the center point, this edge will be at 50 mm. Okay, and from this base, this will be at a height of 40 mm. Okay, or just take it as 45 mm. Okay, now here finish sketch, take extrude, select this circular profile. Here we will take symmetric extrude and take this distance as 25 mm. Press OK. Go to extrude 5, select sketch 3, turn on the visibility. Take extrude once again, select this profile. Here also take symmetric extrude and take here distance as 15 mm and press OK. Okay. Now select sketch 3, turn off the visibility. So this will be the profile. Now go to fillet. Here take a fillet radius of 5 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge, this, okay, this edge, rotate, select this edge, okay, and this edge. Rotate it once again and press OK. Okay. Now here we will define the appearance. I have taken the blue color, so I will take blue wall paint glossy. Okay, so this will be the final profile. So I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.